Welcome back. So this is a video on how to start. So if you're somebody who want to start in SEO or want to start an SEO career or or do some want to learn blogging as well, because blogging is the part of SEO. If you have a website and you are creating content, that is what blogging is. And when you do some of the on-page SEO and building some of the backlinks, that is known as of course SEO, because it has two part, on page and off page. So how you can start? These are the 5 points which is important. Learn the fundamentals. So it is important to understand fundamentals of SEO. Here you can see I have created an overall course on SEO. You can see the course contain, here you can see, if you just click on the playlist, this is the channel name, AI automation. Here you can see we have a playlist which contains more than 66 videos. So yes, this is very clear course. You can learn from this. The fundamentals, each and everything is there, in the course. I have covered each and everything. Alright guys, I was looking back. So in this video, we will see some of the tools I started using for YouTube videos. So why it is important to, produce content for YouTube? Build your own website, and because you will eventually lose some of the audience for on your niche. And when your competitors make videos in it, they will eventually get traffic and views, and over they eventually make money. So here you can see we have 4 to 5 points, which is important to understand when you're starting out. It gives you or YouTube. Here you can see start also focusing on SEO, niche research, keyword, less competitive and high volume. So again, I'm telling you guys that first you need to research. If you done research, if you done your own niche research, now it's time to research. Just now it's time to do some of the keyword research to your services, and you're finding the keywords that are less competitive and high volume. Go with the path. So this is it. You have these. There are multiple tools you can do. As YouTube keyword research. I will show you guys in video in a bit. Here you can see is focus on your thumbnail and retention. So when you're creating content for YouTube, you should be you should learn how to edit thumbnails. You should also know how you can actually take some of the thumbnails, because when people see thumbnails, they eventually say what it is, and they click on the video and then they just jump. This is on Udemy. So if you're somebody in what's trying to make a thumbnail which are attentive and create retention for the users. The third point is A plus. A is for consistency, and B is for content. So these are the two things when you're scared, when you're YouTube, you should understand these two things. You should be consistent first, and then you should be creating content for YouTube. The very main way is a chamber a YouTuber, which is Mark Robert. Read as much as book I just missed it this year. Here depends on the diversity I created YouTubers. So before it, Mark Robert is the YouTuber which says which said that 10% take story, 40% gain, and 4 minutes of watching. Look, if your videos are getting 100% the other way, if your videos has 40% retention and 4 minutes of watch time, you crack the YouTube algorithms. There is a pretty much decent. It's pretty much it for the metric. If your videos